full moment when you try to talk to someone and your mind shuts off. You ask a weak question. They give a weak answer. Now both of you are trapped in silence. This is where most conversations die before they begin. This is not a personality problem. Your brain is blank because you rely on questions that have no energy. You are not connecting. You are performing, and performance kills natural conversation. Most people talk like they are typing commands into a machine. Say the right input, hope for the right output. That is why their interactions feel stiff and robotic. The people who look confident are not smarter. They are not gifted. They are simply paying attention. They notice things the average person ignores. When you ask generic questions, you put all the work on the other person. You force them to entertain you. That pressure shuts them down. Shift your approach. Stop interrogating. Start observing. A simple observation drops pressure and sparks natural curiosity. Do not fool yourself. Not every observation works. Boring ones kill momentum instantly. If your comment can be answered with a polite nod, it is useless. A great observation has 3 ingredients: specific detail, a touch of exaggeration, and an implied story. Miss one and the interaction falls flat. Exaggeration adds energy. It shows personality. It makes your comment worth responding to without trying too hard. The implied story is the hook. When you suggest there is something behind what you notice, people want to respond. Humans love explaining their own story. When all 3 elements combine, your comments become magnets. People lean in because they want to confirm, correct, or expand the story you hinted at. Once you get their first response, you layer. You follow the thread. You build on what they give you. That is how real connection forms. Even at work, this method works. You can stay professional while still being human. A small spark of personality breaks the monotony of boring workplace talk. The phrase is "I bet that." It pulls people in. It shows attention. It opens a door without pressure. It works anywhere with anyone. Everything becomes easier when you use one simple phrase. 3 words that force your brain to observe and steer the conversation naturally. The point is not to become a small talk specialist. The point is to become the kind of person who makes others feel noticed. People remember that far more than any clever line. Next time a conversation feels dead, stop. Look for one detail. Add a playful exaggeration. Hint at a story. Start with "I bet that." The rest will unfold on its own.